What's up, Menlo Club members? It is February. First of all, I'm very grateful that you are part of our community. Thank you for being a member and supporting everything we do as a brand. For the month of February, our theme is embracing what you love. This could be music, your dog, fashion, of course. We don't want you to be afraid and feel like you're judged for things you love. For example, I love running. I love my family, my beautiful baby boy. I love music. I love music so much that I'm actually putting out my first song. So look out for that. So this month, I will also be focusing on my marathon training. I'm also focusing on DJing. Coachella's around the corner and I really want a Coachella gig. So please follow along. I'll be posting on my Instagram, Menlo Club stories, and see how far I get with that, because it could be pretty cool. If not, I'm gonna throw my own party and all the members are invited. I'm also gonna send out an email kind of laying out all the things I love, and I would love to know what you love. Shoot me a DM at dmurthy on Instagram or email me at d@themenlohouse. I'm really just curious to see how other guys kind of go through life and experience it and what they truly are passionate about. It's amazing for me to learn those things, so please DM me, share those things, put them in your comments if you like, and we could have a public discussion about it. Now let's get on with the clothes. So our February package is an amazing combination of a jacket and a t-shirt. The jacket is the perfect staple piece in your wardrobe that will serve as a transitional piece that will take you from spring to summer. Finally, thank you to everyone that responded to my New Year resolution email. It was amazing to hear from all the different types of people who gave me suggestions on how to reach my goals, and so many of you shared your goals with me, on top of things that we can do better at Menlo Club. So in February, when I send my email about what I love, please engage. I really sit and read all of them. It takes me a long time, but I do, and I will personally respond as I get through the month. Now we're gonna sit down with Aaron, our head menswear designer, to walk us through his inspiration for all these beautiful jackets and t-shirts you're receiving. Yay! All right, Aaron, so walk us through your inspiration for this month, the jackets.
So the actual color card actually came from the cold early spring desert, and that's the color palette. So like these sandy earth tones, the olives, a bit of black, and then these pops of blue. The jacket you're actually wearing was inspired as a cross between a classic coach's jacket and a field jacket, like an M65 field jacket, but like these big pockets so you can put stuff in. And then to keep this looking clean, in the side here, you've got concealed
Pockets?
Yeah, no, I was trying to think of it.
Is there a different word in English?
No, so concealed pockets.
Okay.
If you want to make this jacket and customize the fit at the bottom, this is your draw cord, pull it in, ruche it up a bit. Also, on some of these jackets now,
I didn't even notice that.
a little diagram to actually talk you through what's made up on this jacket. On the zip, we've got like a zip pull on that, so you got easy up and down motion. Nice big pocket. These little eyelets on here, they're originally for if the soldier was like wading for a river and it gets soaked in water, this would let all the water and your debris and shit out the bottom. So this is the other colorway, this is the black version of it. On the back, there's like a little locker loop if you turn around, just here. So you can hang it up, because you know when you get a locker loop sometimes in the back neck and it just gets a bit fucking annoying?
Yeah.
And it's like itching your thing, so we put it on the back, so if you're like in the gym and you're taking it off, you can just hang it on the peg. Let's talk about this jacket. So this is another new kind of silhouette for us. Normally we do bomber jackets and that's a different neck. This is a lesser known brother called the tanker jacket, obviously worn by tank crews, and that's what it's inspired by. So it's in a ripstop fabric.
Okay.
The original idea behind this, if you were running through the bush and then you catch on a thorn or something and it snags, it won't rip all the way up your jacket.
Okay.
It would just rip up to a certain amount of squares. So it makes it stronger.
So this is really a month about like serious, durable, high quality jackets.
Yeah, and it's also about just good fabrics, good textures, so you can wear like a hoodie or a sweatshirt underneath it. And then as you get into summertime, you're still gonna need a jacket if you're going out for dinner or on a night out or something, and you just want it for them cold summer evenings.
They all go great with the black denim we sent in December.
Perfect with the black denim from December.
Thanks for coming, man. I really appreciate it. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoy your February package. And as usual, if you don't like it, let us know. DM me, hit up our customer service. We're here to please you. We're here to please our members and build our community. See you in March. I have been blessed to have some amazing friends and built a network of some incredible people. So I want to get their insight and opinions to give our members some advice and maybe some answers that you may be searching for. Be sure to check back this month for more content with some of my close friends, John Jay, DJ Vice, and Tariq Azim.
I believe so. I mean, I think that people can already tell I love to DJ. When they look at me and I'm up on stage DJing, or they can see the passion, they can see how much I'm really vibing. And on top of that, I like putting out that I run, because I like inspiring other people to run and lead that healthy lifestyle.
You're out late, you're
late nights, early flights,
partying, and you know, flying. I mean, like that kind of discipline, that means you love it.
It does. It means I love it, and I don't even think I could go to sleep without throwing a run in I wouldn't be able to. I'm already 400 plus days in of running minimum a mile a day, and I really just kind of put it in the same level that people have to meditate every day, or people have to brush their teeth every day, or whatever it may be. That's my thing, yeah.
I think being practical, circumstances too, right? Like where you grew up, like what type of support do you have? Like, you know, like I think it's very, and I think it's also important for like these individuals that are at the stage to start guiding the youngins too towards dreams that are practical.
Because I think a lot of people say, you go for the moon, and then that's not necessarily how it plays out.
It's not. I mean, and again, it comes down to circumstances. Like, yeah, fine, if you're, you know, your daddy can pass everything through for you and get you in any institution in the world, at what point are you ever going to learn how and what, like, sustaining anything means? So I think it's really important for yourself to also be extremely conscious of what's practical when it comes to these goals and these dreams.
Absolutely, I made it because of my passion, my love for it. You know, I've never been the best player on my team, going back to, you know, high school or college or all that stuff. But I think, you know, I love the game so much, and I had so much passion that it really drove my work ethic. And, you know, I always tried to pride myself on my work ethic, and, you know, essentially, you know, work ethic is everything, you know. And, you know, there's only a few out there that had that, you know, that special talent, whether it's in the business world or, you know, in the sports world, where they can get away with just kind of, you know, waking up and saying, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. I think sometimes we don't notice how much, you know, people work at their craft to get to the point that they're at. You know, all you see is like, oh, well, he's a doctor. Yeah, he's super rich and he's making all this money.
Cars in the house.
Yeah, it's like you don't. Yeah, he went through 12 years of school when everyone else was having fun and partying, and now he's having a good time. Or as an athlete, or you know, yourself entrepreneur with the clothing business or whatever it may be. You know, there's a lot of hard work that goes on behind the scenes that, you know, now we get to live a pretty good life now, but it happens naturally.